It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! In the name of God.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we will be doing the build up of Polygon Siskiu D7. Miss Polly, better known as Good Golly Miss Polly. Yeah, we're going to be building her up. She is an extra large frame, 29-inch wheels, a full Shimano package for the drivetrain. It's a beautiful bike. She's lovely. She's beautiful. I'm going to enjoy this. This is my first full sus entry level. I did purchase this bike from bikesonline.com. Came very well packaged. Assembly was simple and easy. Assembly, I say, it's going to take anywhere between 15 to 30 minutes. Of course, anytime you're assembling your bike, no need to rush. It's not a race. Make sure you check everything. Be careful and cautious. I'm also Miss Polly. The Polygons are good quality bikes with, I'll say, a discount. I'll look at it. They're a little bit less expensive than other bikes, but with the same bang for your buck. So you get a little bit more. Your money goes a little bit further, in my opinion. So definitely we'll talk more about this in a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely make sure notifications are turned on so you are notified anytime there is a new video that drops. Once again, enjoy the video. We'll talk at the end. And there you pretty much have it all put together. A couple of adjustments. Put some air in the shock. I mean, pretty easy put together. Beautiful bike. I'm really going to enjoy riding. Just getting that shock aired up for the first time. Playing with the adjustments. It's plush. I mean, it feels like, in my opinion, I also had to adjust the brake. Simple fix. Had a little smidge of a rub. I mean, nothing much. Also, I'm going to be doing a video, actually, after this video, on the black comb on how to adjust hydraulic brakes. So that'll be coming up soon. So definitely hope you guys like the video. All right, this is new bike day. It's finally put together. Polygon D7 official. It's my first full suspension entry-level bike. My first entry-level bike. Has a RockShox Recon, 120 millimeters of travel, taper head tube. It is through axle in the front. For the rear, we have the RockShox Deluxe Debonair. Selected. It's nice. It's nice. I do have a extra large frame. Also, we've got Shimano Dior bottom bracket, the whole group set, I was supposed to say. So we got the Dior shifter here, got the Dior shifter, the MT 201 hydraulic disc brakes right here for stopping power. In the rear, see everything is Shimano, so that's a 11 to 51 tooth, 1x11. We have the NTT X15 double wall wheels wrapped in Swaby tires. They are they? I'm trying to think. They are tubeless ready. Yes, the wheels are for sure. I'm not sure about the tires. I don't think the tires are. So I think the only difference is everything else is pretty much like I said, the seat it's an entity seat. We got entity stem and handlebars along with the rims. It is just a lovely bike. Feels comfortable. Dropper seat on there. 170 millimeters of travel with the dropper seat. Let's see. Can I let it up? Bam. Yeah, I'm excited. It weighs in at 34 pounds, 34.61 pounds to be exact. I mean, I'm loving this. This is, all new bike days are great. And I love all new bike days, but this one is a little bit emotional, right? It's my first entry-level bike. And I love it. I love it. Seat tube angle is 70 degrees. Head tube angle is 67.5. Bottom bracket height is 326. Chain length stay is 436. Reach is 485. And the standover height is 625.2. So those are the specs on it. Like I said, I'm definitely in love. I definitely need to play the Andre 3000. Oh, and check this out. Like I said, everything is Shimano on the drivetrain and group set. I just love this sound. Let's hear it. How about this? Look at that. Yeah, just a rolling. Simply easy to put together. Nothing to it but to do it. Easy setup, came nicely packaged. I haven't even rode it, but I'm giving it 2 thumbs and 2 big toes up. Yeah, that's that deal. So fully loaded Shimano Dior. He said, oh, it did come with this. You guys can see this, right? Class 4. Use for rough, unpaved, and paved, also non-paved hiking trails where roots, thresholds, rocks, and drops are more often. Tarmac, bicycle designated route, and gravel road. intermittent jumps or drops with the height up to 1 millimeter. There you have it. That is the Siskiu D7. This is a comparison chart of the 3 different models, the D5, the D6, and the D7. D standing for down country, a mix of trail and downhill put together. Very nice bike, put together well. Enjoy it. Difference between the 3, between the D6 and the D5 is $350. The D7 and the D6 is $300. The D5 has a 2x9 and a coil sprung fork, where the D6 has a 1x10 with a Suntour air spring, and the D7 has a RockShox Recon along with the 1x11 with the 51.2. So definitely like and subscribe to the page, please. Make sure you have your notifications turned on so you don't miss any new uploads. Coming up soon will be the hydraulic brake adjustment on the Mongoose Blackcomb Big Red. Everybody have a blessed day. I'm out.